In the heart of the Dutch countryside, hidden between lush forests and quiet waterways, lies a place where time slows down, Kasteel Duivenvoorde. With over 8 centuries of history, Duivenvoorde is not just a castle, but a living memory of the Netherlands' noble past. First mentioned in records from 1226, this estate has been home to generations of aristocratic families, each leaving their own mark on its walls, gardens and stories. Surrounded by a shimmering moat, Duivenvoorde stands as a perfect harmony between medieval strength and refined elegance. Its bridges connect more than just land. They connect eras, blending old-world charm with the beauty of the present day. The gardens, with their manicured paths and seasonal blooms, offer a peaceful escape. They whisper stories of noble walks, secret meetings, and moments of quiet reflection under ancient trees. From its stately towers to the warm brick facades, every corner of Duivenvoorde reflects the craftsmanship and pride of the families who called it home. A legacy preserved with care so that visitors today can wander through history. Now, as the sun sets over this timeless treasure, Kasteel Duivenvoorde stands not just as a monument of the past, but as a place where history, nature and imagination meet. A story still being written, frame by frame. Kasteel Duivenvoorde, a timeless journey through Dutch history.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.